watching you, trust me.
You
He come and he all up in our business, walking back and forth. I said, look, I have permission to video. Give me permission, right? He's what? But I don't care. Bitch, go suck dick. I don't care either. Get out our face. We're not talking to you. He's very rude. Okay. It's a two train. Don't go get no trouble. Sit down. Don't get no trouble. Sit down. I love you too, man. I love you, man. Sit down, man. I don't want to give him the uppercut. I know you're gonna fuck that nigga up for me right now.
Hit him. I did that to a. Listen to this. I'm at 50th Street, Times Square, church area. I'm talking to this dude or girl about.
Me and my friend right here.
About
my new friend I just met.
And that
See?
she Latina. And that it happened so quick.
Right.
Anyway, he goes up and he says, nigga, I heard I'm in a bad mood anyway. I'll wait. I go up behind. When this was good, this leg, I had both legs.
Uppercut that motherfucker. Uppercut that motherfucker. Oh shit.
That motherfucker walked halfway across the block.
I know.
Listen, halfway across and hit the ground.
You just dropped something and he pick it up. I don't
Hit
know what
the
it is.
ground.
Man, don't lose
Boom.
your weed. Don't lose your weed for nobody, man. That weed keep you feeling good, my nigga. You can't lose that shit.
Yeah, because if I don't have it, I'm in such intense pain.
Intense pain.
Intense pain.
But you're doing the arrowing. Maybe you need to stop the
I
arrowing.
can't move. And I can.
How about the arrowing? You think you should stop doing it or you can't do without it?
The hell?
Yeah, you don't do it. You
Yes,
can't do
I
it.
do.
But you can't do without it?
What? Yes, I can do. I did. I ain't had it in 2 days.
Oh, so you just do it when you feel like.
Exactly. When
Think
I
our train
have
is
the
coming
money
now.
to spare. When I have the money, notice this, to spare. Extra money.
Okay, I love you. I gotta get on this train.
All right.
Mwah, mwah. Thank you. God bless you, okay? And you want to